Welcome to my channel, the Baking Diva. What's today? Today is Shoutout Sunday. Now I've been shouting out for over a month now, and you've all told me that you like it. So, as long as you like it, I'm gonna keep shouting out. I'd love to shout out channels, small channels, so they can have a chance to grow. Because YouTube land is big, right? It's very big. And if somebody doesn't help you, who's going to? So, I think that kindness is free and kindness matters. And I've always felt that way. So if I can help a channel here and there to gain a few new subscribers, I'm in. Because we can all use a little help from our friends. So, who is the diva gonna shout out today? Well, today's shout out goes to the channel Take Control Beauty. That's right. And the content creator's name for that channel is Barb. Hi, Barb. And I just love Barb. I met Barb on YouTube, and I think we made an instant connection. We found out we had so many things in common. A lot of things. So let me just start out by telling you a few things we have in common. Number one, we're both Italian. Number two, we're both Italian. And number three, we're both Italian. Only kidding. But seriously, we are both Italian. But anyway, Barb is almost like a sister to me. A sister with a different mother. But we have so many things in common, and I just enjoy her so much that I feel like she's a sister. I even call her sis. But Barb to me is like a bright light on YouTube. I'll tell you, she lives happy. She thinks happy thoughts. She's a very positive person. She's very upfront, and I think everybody that gets to know her gets a real kick out of her. We both have been married to the same man for many, many years. We have grandchildren that we absolutely adore, and we feel that our grandchildren helps to keep us young. I'm a firm believer in that. Also, people tell us that we look young for our age. I don't know if that's true, but I'll take it. But I will tell you, for sure, I know Barb looks young for her age. I'm not going to tell you how old I am, but I will tell you how old Barb is because she tells everyone. Barb is proud to say that she is, you ready? 76 years old. And let me tell you, that darn woman doesn't probably look a day over 60 or less. I mean, she really looks fantastic for her age. And if you don't believe me, head on over to her channel right now and take a look. There's no way she's 76 years old. She always teases and she reverses the numbers. And she says, well, at least for this year, I can say I'm 67 until next year when I'm older, I won't be able to say it anymore. I think a lot of times it's in the genes, but also I think there's a lot you can do to help, let's say, help yourself along. I know for me, I'm very young at heart. I mean, I might be older, I might be a mature person, but I don't really feel my age. Maybe bodily I do, with my aches and pains, but mentally, I really feel like I'm young at heart. I think that's why I especially have such a good time with my grandchildren, my 4 grandsons. And I know Barb's the same way. She'll do anything with her granddaughter Bella and her grandson Hayden. I mean, she's a kick in the pants, let me tell you. Barb's channel is a variety of things. She will give you tips on how to stay young, not both physically, but mentally too. She'll give you little tips on maybe things that'll make you smile a little bit more. Barb also cooks on her channel. Most of the time she'll do an entree or a dessert with her granddaughter Bella. And Bella's a hoot and a half herself. I guess she takes after her grandmother. I'm pretty sure. I don't know. In fact, it's interesting. I guess it was maybe around 2 years ago. My youngest grandson, Lucas, and her granddaughter, Bella, they did a collab together. They took over our channels, and it was a Valentine's Day collab. And it was, you have to kiss a lot of frogs before you find your handsome prince. And Bella dressed like a princess, and Lucas dressed like a frog. It was so funny, and it was so cute. I just absolutely loved it. So on Barb's channel, she does give you many beauty tips for aging women, which is always helpful. She's a part of the mature beauty community, as am I. And she does, Barb loves wigs. And she'll be the first one to tell you. She started this channel originally because I think she was going to do wig reviews. Wig reviews are very popular now. You don't have to have health issues to wear a wig. It's just sometimes an easy alternative. Like she'll say, sometimes her hubby will say to her, come on, let's go out for breakfast. Or come on, let's go out for lunch. And she doesn't have time to do her hair, so she'll plop on her wig and off she'll go. So she does do reviews on a lot of wigs, and she looks great in them, really. You can never look at her and tell she has a wig on. No, I don't think so. She'll show you how to deal with holiday stress. She has so many videos on there. And I'm trying to think. Oh, I know. Her personal experience with spirits. Yeah, you heard me right. And I don't mean the spirits you drink. I mean spirits. So I won't fill you in any more on that. You'll have to go over and see some of her videos. Really makes you think. And it's very interesting. She does so much more. So she talks about, she also wrote some books, Barb, a while back. She wrote a book on, I think it was a book on food, and it had her family recipes in it. And I was lucky enough that she sent me one. She did a book on jobs and interviewing and how to get a job. Let me see. Oh, she also did a diet book. She doesn't sell them, but she did write some books. They're great. They really are. She wrote them on different subjects. I think that's very interesting. Barb has a very interesting channel. She does a little of this and a little of that, but she's very comfortable in front of a camera, and she just draws you in. She really does. She draws you in. I think if you're interested in some of these things I talked about, mostly tips on aging women or men. I mean, why not, right? Or recipes, tips on dieting, wigs, spirits, much more. I can't really get into all of it. It would take too much time. But I would say, go over to Barb's channel. Take Control Beauty. I think you'll really enjoy her a lot. I really, really do. And if you do head over there, tell her sis Dolores, the Baking Diva, sent you over. And let me think. I don't know. I've always kind of felt that if we can't help other people, who can we help, right? So I think we should all take a little walk over to Barb's channel and show her a little love, right? Show her a little love, because you might just be surprised and you might say, hey, where's this lady been all my life? I love her channel, right? So I don't want to keep you on too long, but once again, I will put Barb's channel link in my description box. Trust me when I tell you, I think you will enjoy her. Her channel is really growing. She just celebrated recently 1,000 subscribers. And like I say, she's a bright light on YouTube. I really feel she is. So anyway, Take Control Beauty is my Sunday shout out. And we can all use a little help from our friends. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, beep, hit that red subscribe and the little bell next to it. And next time I have a video up, you'll get a chance to see it and you won't miss it. And I'm going to give you a little tip. I haven't told anybody yet, so keep it a secret. But in a few weeks, there's going to be about 6 or 7 of us, 6 or 7 channels that are doing a Halloween dessert collab. So we'll let you know when the date is going to be, because this you won't want to miss. So anyway, enjoy your Sunday. Thanks for watching. I'll see you all very soon, and head on over to see Barb. Tell her I sent you. Toodles!